whenever I do a podcast interview and I talk to somebody who's been doing this for a while, like Honey, and I say, what's some advice you'd give a new person? And they would say, because if I tell you to go into a Walmart and start looking for inventory, holy cow, that's overwhelming. There's just so much. Where do you even start? And without fail, they almost always say, start with the aisle that you know. Because if you walk into, let's say you're into sports and outdoors and let's say you fish a lot, you're going to know if you see a price on Amazon, if that's a high price or not, if that's more than what you would normally spend. And so as you're scrolling through listings, if you see something you see a bait on the shelf for $3, you're going to know that if you see it on Walmart or see it on Amazon for 10, that's going to make you stop and wonder, why is that 10? And that it just give you, but me, I may not know that $10 is too much. But so if you start with something, it's just a huge advantage. So we're going to talk about national stores and regional stores. And there's so many examples. We could fill up a whole webinar with different types of stores, but national stores are simply stores that exist pretty much anywhere in the country. It's Walmart, Target, Kohl's, Lowe's, Home Depot. We could say stores like I mentioned, Joann Fabrics earlier. There's probably, I don't know that they're in every single city like some of these stores are, but they're at least a store that pretty much has a presence everywhere. Yep. Honey, is there anything that I'm missing that are major stores that would you say that are national?
Dollar General's national.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Dollar Tree. There's a lot of, I could probably think of a bunch more, but they might be regional to me, and I just think they're national.
Sure.
So
yeah, Dollar General is a great example. We have a lot of people that do Dollar General, do Dollar Tree. Yeah. Dollar Tree is great because you can be sourcing while you're doing something else.
Because you know what everything
the
costs.
Price is $1.
Yep, that's one of
your buy cost. So real quick, if you're wanting to do that, like you could be literally in the car, your spouse is driving, and you're looking for items. You could just look for Dollar Tree items. Go into the Amazon seller app. If you know some of the brand names that are associated with Dollar Tree or Dollar General, just scroll through, and if you see a Dollar Tree brand, for example, I know one is called Greenbrier. You could search Greenbrier and just look for bundles, look for multi-packs. And if there's a bundle of 3 items, that the buy cost is going to be $3. You don't have to then go to their site and check it out. So national stores are a great option. The good news is that these stores are everywhere, and pretty much, most of you probably are within driving distance of all of these. But the bad news is that these stores are everywhere. What I mean by that is that there's a lot more competition. It means every other seller out there has access to these stores as well. So they may be able to, see the same deals that you're finding, the same products that you're finding. And there's plenty of products to go around, plenty of customers. But like if you have, simple economics, if you have 50 sellers on an item and the demand is not very much, the price is going to go down. Supply and demand is a thing in e-commerce too. And so if you notice things that go on sale, you'll see those on Amazon pretty quickly, especially if they come from stores like Walmart, and the price will go down as the sellers go up. And Honey's our keepograph person. You see, as the price the price goes down, the sellers go down too. What am I saying here?
Sellers go up, the price
go up, price goes down.
Often goes down.
Exactly. Because as more sellers see the deal, they send in inventory, the price just tanks. Yep. Thank you.